Ready to put your road sign knowledge to the test? Let's find out. In today's video, we're giving you a set of sign recognition challenges to help you spot the right signs quickly and confidently while driving. Whether you're preparing for your driving test or keeping your skills sharp, this quiz will boost your awareness on the road. If you find this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical driving content. Let's dive in. Question 1. Can you identify which image shows the car's sign? The answer is A. Question 2. Which of these signs represents staggered crossroads ahead? The answer is B. Question 3. From these images, which one is the diversion route sign circular? The answer is A. Question 4. Can you spot the correct image for the cycle parking sign? The answer is D. Question 5. Which image indicates a congestion charge zone sign? The answer is B. Alright, if you got the first 5 right, go ahead and give this video a like. It lets us know you're crushing it so far, and it helps us keep bringing you more practical road sign practice. Question 6. Which of these signs shows that vehicles and loads exceeding weight in tons indicated are prohibited? The answer is D. Question 7. Which road sign image is used for accompanied horses? The answer is B. Question 8. Which of these is the correct no left turn sign? The answer is D. Question 9. Can you tell which image represents animal-drawn vehicles? The answer is D. Question 10. Which image marks the end of area where vehicles may be parked wholly? The answer is C. Question 11. Which of these is the official red route clearway sign? The answer is A. Question 12. Which image is the no entry for vehicular traffic sign? The answer is B. Question 13. Can you identify the narrow road sign left ahead from these images? The answer is A. Question 14. Which sign shows that vehicular traffic may reach the same destination? The answer is D. Question 15. From the options, which is the direction to park and ride car park sign 3? The answer is B. If you're still cruising through these signs with us, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can keep your road knowledge sharp and catch more videos like this. Question 16. Which sign image shows additional traffic lane joining from the left ahead? The answer is A. Question 17. Can you find the correct image for a standard traffic light with a supplemental? The answer is B. Question 18. Which sign shows the commencement point of a newly imposed 30 miles per hour? The answer is D. Question 19. Which image instructs to stop before crossing? Police ahead. The answer is B. Question 20. Which one of these shows the end of temporary restrictions? The answer is D. Question 21. Can you pick out the national speed limit applies sign from these images? The answer is A. Question 22. Which image marks the end of minimum speed limit sign 40 miles per hour? The answer is C. Question 23. Which of these signs shows the entrance to a controlled parking zone applying to goods vehicles? The answer is A. Question 24. Which image represents the route for use by buses and tramcars only sign? The answer is D. Question 25. From these, which is the distance ahead to emergency telephone in a parking place sign? The answer is A. Question 26. Can you identify the lorry's prohibited sign? The answer is C. Question 27. Which image displays the additional traffic lane joining from the left and 200 yards ahead? The answer is A. Question 28. Which of these is the A traffic light intended for bicycle sign? The answer is D. Question 29. From the images, which is the approach direction sign? The answer is C. Question 30. Which sign image shows the zebra crossing? The answer is A. Know someone learning to drive or looking to refresh their road knowledge? Share this video with them so they can stay sharp and safe on the roads too. Question 31. Can you point out the bus lane with traffic? Proceeding from both ways sign? The answer is D. Question 32. Which of these represents the slippery road sign? The answer is B. Question 33. Which sign image is the correct one for mini roundabout? The answer is D. Question 34. Can you pick the turn left sign from the images shown? The answer is B. Question 35. Which sign here is the emergency diversion route for motorway and other main road traffic? The answer is A. Question 36. Which image shows the 100 yards to a roundabout or the next point at which traffic? The answer is A. Question 37. From these, which sign warns of overhead electrical wires? The answer is D. Question 38. Which image represents the side wind sign? The answer is B. Question 39. Can you spot the correct image for the pedestrian zone N sign? The answer is A. Question 40. Which image shows the vehicles may be parked partially on the verge or footway sign? The answer is B. That's the end of today's road sign quiz. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments and let us know which sign you found the trickiest. We'd love to see how you did and which areas you want to practice next. Thanks for playing along, and keep testing your knowledge to stay sharp and confident on the road.